Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Xenia. Today I'm back with the review of a very good body uptan which is there in the market. So it is none other than our own Patanjali body uptan. So this product is a 100-gram product retailing for just rupees 60, which is on the affordable side, which is like very affordable, not only affordable. And I have already used this product. You have seen only this much amount is left. So I've been using it regularly for the past 1.5 weeks. So I can give you a very clear and honest review about this product. Ingredients of this uptan are chironji, masoor dal, urad dal, jaw, pili sarso, soybean, chawal, badam, haldi, kapoor. So when you open this packet, it smells of kapoor. It smells of camphor. I mean, a very strong smell of camphor, which is extremely refreshing. I'm sure all of you are going to love it, and it is also very affordable. And this product basically claims to enhance your fairness, glowing of skin, reduction of dark spots and blemishes. First of all, I'll just talk about the claims. Enhancing fairness is definitely one thing that uptans are supposed to do, and this ready-made uptan does it very well. So it enhances fairness. I have noticed it in my skin. And glowing of skin definitely glows. Reduces dark spots and blemishes. Not much of the dark spots or blemishes have been reduced. I cannot talk about that. I don't think it, maybe you have to use it for a long time, then only it would reduce your dark spots and blemishes, but other than that, it definitely enhances your fairness and makes your skin glowing. So that is true. So I have already poured the Patanjali body uptan in a container, and you can see it looks like this. It is a very light lemon yellow color, and the texture, you can see the texture is not that smooth. It has a very coarse texture. It is not that smooth, so it can also act as a very good exfoliator. You can use it with normal water, you can use it with rose water, you can use it with aloe vera gel, you can use it with coconut oil, olive oil, vitamin E. You can use it with anything and you can apply it on your face. Basically, we prepare uptan at home by taking some turmeric, some gram flour, some sandalwood powder. We mix them all up and then apply it on our face. But this product contains all the natural and ayurvedic ingredients, no chemicals at all, and it is ready to use. We do not have to make the extra effort of preparing it all by ourselves, so that is great. It is also very inexpensive, so it is great for school goers and college goers who would want to take care of their skin, but they do not have that much of budget. So it's for you guys. You can definitely go ahead and buy this product. Trust me, you will never regret it. So it's a very good product, and I am in love with it, and I'm sure I'm going to be using it for like long time now, till Patanjali comes out with another variety of body uptan. So show you guys how to use this Patanjali body uptan effectively in 3 simple ways. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So the first way to prepare the Patanjali body uptan is to take 1 heaped teaspoon of Patanjali uptan and then just mixing it with 1 teaspoon of water. Mix it well till you get a smooth paste. This is the easiest way of preparing the Patanjali body uptan. So this is the uptan, and I'm gently going to apply this on all over my face, neck and my body, and I'm going to keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and let it dry, and then I'm going to wash it with water. So this is the easiest way of preparing the body uptan. So now the second way of preparing Patanjali body uptan is by taking another 1 heaped teaspoon of Patanjali body uptan, then 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, vitamin E oil. Mix it into a paste. It is very good for people with oily skin. So you will get a thick paste like this. You can use it as an exfoliator as well as a face pack. So you will take a little bit amount, and on your hands you are going to exfoliate like this, and then leave it on for 10 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. And the third method is for people with dry skin. So for this method you will need another teaspoon of Patanjali body Ubtan, require a teaspoon of coconut oil. So this is the olive oil. So you would require half a teaspoon of olive oil, a bit of honey, half a teaspoon, some aloe vera gel, half a teaspoon, and mix it up really well. And then on your face you will apply it like this and keep it for 20 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. You can also add vitamin E as well. I hope you found the methods of preparing the body Ubtan very easy and quick, and you would have no difficulty in preparing it at home. Even if you do not have vitamin E oil or you do not have honey, you can just put in some curd, or just with normal water you can use it on your face. You can not only use it on your body, you can also use it on your face, because I generally use it on my face most of the days, and once or two times in a week I use it on my body. So that's that. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. So guys, I'll see you next soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.